Looking for a smarter way to cook vegetables, fish, and poultry without the mess or fuss? The Sistema Microwave Collection Steamer offers a simple, reliable solution that fits right into your busy lifestyle. It's designed to deliver perfectly steamed meals in minutes, right in your microwave, with no splatters and no overcooked mushy results. I started using the Sistema steamer a few months ago, and it quickly became a kitchen staple. What stood out immediately was how easy it is to use. Just add a bit of water, place your food inside, and microwave with the vent open. The steam release vent on the lid prevents splatter, so your microwave stays clean. Plus, the cool-to-the-touch tabs and a middle stalk on the basket let you lift your food out safely without burning your fingers. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. What really matters here is the quality and safety. Made from 100% virgin plastic, this steamer is BPA and phthalate-free, so you can trust it's safe for your family. It's also dishwasher safe on the top rack and freezer and fridge safe, making it versatile for meal prep and storage. The result? Fresh, tasty veggies and perfectly cooked proteins every time, without the risk of overcooking that happens when boiling or pan steaming. If you're tired of juggling pots and pans or worrying about your veggies turning into mush, this steamer is worth a look. It's a simple upgrade that helps you eat healthier, save time, and keep your kitchen cleaner. Try it when you're ready to make meal prep easier and more enjoyable.